Namamasura na naman si Johannes andyan pa. Uy, ang dami nito oh. Ang bigat nito darling. Oh, yan, may mga damit. Ang dami nito, may mga lotion. Naalagaan siya na dyan guys. We don't know what to do. We're gonna bring you to the vet. Umiiyak na siya guys.
So, what's happened is he will be here for at least 24 hours, maybe 48 hours.
Hala, magkano kaya yung mababayaran natin?
Johannes, are you ready for the new back bedroom?
Naalala nyo ba kahapon ang halos isang buong bahay na guys, ang tinapon ng aming kapitbahay? May mga nakuha kami dito guys na jackpot na mga gamit sa pang garden. May pa nga dito oh, kakalkalin.
Tools for the garden.
Tools for the garden? Ay oo nga. Kunin natin to, tools for the garden. Kasi sayang.
Yeah.
Let's go kasi umuulan dahil.
Hey guys, good morning.
So we're gonna show you guys what we got yesterday from the street. What do you call this one dear?
So,
Karas, tama? Karas man eh. Karas.
it's a pitchfork, but like that, it's just a rake of some sort.
It's like a rake, no? But it's got
Very heavy.
a little, you know, stick. And what's that for? What's that? It's like guna. In the province, it's guna.
Yeah, it looks like a little leader.
Ah.
Then you get under the root, take them out.
Oh, ayan, guna. We call it guna in the province. Ayan, oh.
Yeah, guna.
Guna.
So
Aha.
I turned it all over.
But in the province, there is only like that short handle ba?
Like,
short
I
handle.
turned it all over with the machine, but
Mhm.
if you don't dig the weeds out, they come right back.
Ah,
So now-
you really need to remove the root.
Yeah, we really got to
The
get
root
in
cause.
here and get rid of these guys because it's almost time to start planting for the fall.
Yeah. Yes. So, it's a season na talaga for planting, guys. So, kailangan na natin itong asikasuhin yung garden natin. And good thing, nakakita tayo ng mga ganitong tools. Hindi na natin kailangan pang bumili. So, yung mga nakuan ni Jan, guys, mga natanggal ni Jan, kakarasin ko siya. Ayan, oh. Yan, kakarasin ko siya, guys. Yung mga natanggal ni Jan ng mga damo. At dito tayo magtatanim ng kamatis, pipino, sitaw, at kung ano pa yung pwede nating matanim dito. Ay, malaki na pala itong ating avocado dear. Oh, kailangan na natin itong ilipat. Because we already have 3 here. We have 1 in front, we have 1 in the middle, and we have 1 at the back. So maybe on the side of the house.
We're going to call it avocado ranch.
Aha. Mas maganda yung bahay natin na mapalibutan ng avocado kasi in a few years time, pwede na tayong mag-supply ng mga avocado sa supermarket dito sa Amerika. And also, itong ating star fruit, sobrang dami pa din. May pupunta ngayong Sabado dito sa bahay. Ayan, so ibibigay natin yan sa kanila. Yung iba kasi dito is green pa. Ayan, oh. So, lilinisin din natin yan dito, guys. Kasi ayaw naman natin na makita yan ng ating mga bisita na, ay, nilinis na pala ata ni Jan, oh. Ay, nilinis na pala ni Jan. Nilagay na niya dito, oh. Ayan. Ang dami kasi dito ng mga nahulog, guys, ng mga star fruits. Kasi sobrang lakas kasi ng hangin nung nakaraan. Ang daming mga nalata na star fruits. Ayan, nilinis na pala ni Jan dito, oh.
You're going to plant okra this time?
Yeah, we can plant okra. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ipaplant pa natin. Comment nga kayo, guys, kasi some of the vegetables, right, they're not growing here. Some of the vegetables.
Okra will grow here. It's just like the Philippines.
Okay.
Anything
So
that'll grow in the
okra, we haven't
Philippines
tried
will grow
okra,
here.
no? Oh, no, but before, some of the things, like the eggplant is not growing.
Oh, eggplant is the problem.
Eggplant is the problem. Also, the corn, we tried to grow corn.
Yeah, corn takes a lot of chemicals.
So
Even
siguro,
for the professional.
hindi na siguro natin gawing organic. Lagyan na lang natin ng mga pataba, guys, ng mga fertilizer. So, hindi na magiging organic yung ano ni Johannes. Ayan, sobrang dami pa din doon sa taas. So, pag pumunta dito sa Sabado yung mga kaibigan natin, papaakyatin ko sila kasi mga Bisaya man yun sila, guys. So, sanay na sanay kami, no? Na mag-akyat-akyat ng mga puno sa probinsya. Oo, smell star fruits in here. Ay, wow. So far, ito na yung ginawa nila. Oh. Ang bilis lang. Naalagaan siya na dyan, guys. Nawala kasi yan siya. Gone for more than 1 day. If you can just talk, we don't know what to do. We're gonna bring you to the vet. Basang-basa siya nung nakita ko kanina, guys. Tapos, usually kasi pag inopen ko na itong pintuan, lumalapit kaagad yan sila sa akin. Dalawa yan sila, si Province at saka si Midnight. Midnight ang name nitong black. Dito kasi yan sila natutulog sa ilalim ng deck namin. So, tataka kami, hindi siya lumalapit sa amin. Pharaoh cat kasi ito guys. Outdoor lang talaga sila. Ayan, na siya. Tapos dinala ko siya dito sa loob. And then pinunasan ko siya. And then pinakain ko siya. Hindi siya kumakain. Tapos sabi ni Jan, there's something wrong with our cat. Maybe we need to bring him to the vet. So, pin-repair na ni Jan, guys. May binili kami nung nakaraan na cat carrier. Ilalagay natin dito si Midnight at dadalhin natin siya sa vet. Kahit na Pharaoh cat lang ito, guys, no? Pero mahal na mahal ito namin. Hindi namin sila sinasanay na matulog sa loob ng bahay. Pero itinuturing na namin sila na alaga at hindi sila umaalis dito sa bahay. Pag nagbabakasyon kasi kami ni Jan, like 2 weeks, 1 week, nandito sila everyday, nakamonitor sila sa CCTV. Something wrong? No. Pero hindi siya maglubog, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakalungkot ng ganito. Inaayos lang dyan, guys. We'll fix you, okay? You're so beautiful. Kinakarga ko siya, guys, kasi parang nanginginig siya ba? Siguro you have a fever. Kung makapagsalita lang sila, guys, no? Ayun, oh. Kawawa talaga siya. Hindi siya kumakain. Naglubog lang siya. Okay. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix you. May damdamin din kasi ang mga pusa na yan, guys. Hindi lang sila nakakapagsalita, pero malalaman mo sa mga kilos nila kung may nararamdaman sila. Kaya bilang tayong mga fur parents, dapat alerto tayo pagdating sa mga ganyan dahil hindi natin alam na yung mga problema na sila, 'di ba? So kailangan pinapatingin din talaga natin sila.
I don't really know because he's like a
Pharaoh.
A Pharaoh rescue.
So, tumawag na si Jan sa vet and pinapadala na siya ngayon. Isusugod na natin siya ngayon sa ospital. Ayan, lalagay na natin siya, guys. Halika na, Mingming. Let's go now. Dadalhin na natin siya sa vet. You will be fine, okay? You will be fine. Magbibihis muna kami. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fixed. Kapag for parents na tayo, gagawin natin ang lahat para sa kanila. Umiiyak na siya, guys. Pero nanibago lang siguro siya kasi nasa car siya ngayon. Ay. Ganun talaga, guys. Kailangan nating alagaan yung ating mga pusa dahil nandito na tayo sa sitwasyon. For parents na tayo. So, hindi natin sila papabayaan. Midnight? Don't cry. Midnight. You'll be fine. Nandito na rin yung mag-aayos ng back bedroom natin. Lalagay sila ng shelvings, palagay sila ng bifold door. And siguro 2 to 3 days nila gagawin yun. I think 2 days. 2 days. They will do it 2 days.
2 days.
So matatapos na yun bukas. Excited na ako para ipakita sa inyo, guys, ang magiging resulta ng gagawin nila sa ating back bedroom. Para ma-organize na natin yung mga bags natin, yung mga soap, mga lotion, at mga pabango natin. The vet is nearby, darling.
Yes.
Hindi ko pa alam kung magkano yung bayad. I think check upin pa nila, i-diagnose nila kung ano yung problema ni Midnight. And from there, we will see kung operahan ba siya or ano ba ang gagawin. Lalagyan na injectionan lang ba siya ng mga something. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanal. I know. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be
Right
fine.
up on top.
Yeah. So what's going on with Big Daddy?
So originally he's a feral. He's been to Palm Beach Animal Care and Control. They fixed him. They did all his things. He's become friendly. He comes in the house. I feed him every day. And then he disappeared for a day. We found him outside this morning soaking wet. Won't move.
Won't
Really
eat.
lethargic.
Won't eat.
You said we're lethargic and we won't
Yeah.
eat?
Won't eat. Doesn't want to walk around or anything. Just wants to lay there. He's not throwing up or anything. Don't notice really anything
Yeah, there's no wound or anything.
outward that would suggest there's something wrong. Just really, as soon as he didn't show up for dinner, it's like, uh-oh, where is he? And then after, 24 hours, it's like, we're thinking the worst.
Oh, that's sad.
And then,
How's it going?
okay.
Well, Munchkin, you're hanging out with the door open, so it can't be that bad,
Right,
right?
he's pretty lethargic.
Oh, that's not what I want to hear.
I mean, it's pretty much an outdoor cat.
Okay.
Got him fixed, I think, in April.
Okay.
And then he calmed down and he comes in the house.
Okay.
So essentially it was just a stray cat showed up in the yard.
Gotcha, but we...
Or eat some. Eat some.
I want to try to be as gentle as possible, okay? You're being very good. Can I pick you up? Don't get mad. Don't get mad.
Oh, you're doing so good.
Checked him a little bit, maybe for injuries, but he doesn't. His
He doesn't,
legs
yeah.
look a little weak in the back.
Okay. Come here, man. Let's turn our face this way. Oh, you're doing fantastic. I know. I'm sorry. Your gums are nice and pink. Your tongue's nice and pink. That's good. Got your face in the sand, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
They love the sand.
Yeah. See a hunter?
A little bit, yeah. They're chasing after lizards. So I'm wondering if he got a
Hopefully
lizard.
it's that. It's like a real bad gastroenteritis, like a toxicity.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay, babe. Okay. So, what's happened is he's blocked.
Mm.
He hasn't peed because he has a blocked urethra. That's why.
Oh.
So what
Because
would
his
make
bladder's
that?
about this big.
Okay.
So it's an unfortunate thing that happens with male kitty cats.
Mm.
So how many days can that happen over
A
days
couple
and days?
days and they can go downhill real quick.
Because I noticed
Yeah.
when I normally walk outside, he comes towards us.
Yeah.
And lately he's been like, "Oh, you look like a stranger," and would run away. I'm
Yeah.
like, "Something's
He may have
weird.
been a little off kilter.
Look how big you are."
12.8. Okay. So, unfortunately, I have to do some blood work. I have to
Right.
unblock the urethra and leave a urinary catheter in for at least 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay? And we're going to probably have to pump him with IV fluids to flush out his kidneys because he's going to be in kidney failure.
Okay.
Okay? It's acute onset. It's because all that urine's backed up in there.
Right.
He's doing well because a lot of these guys are so painful, they're catatonic. They can't even move. I don't think it's a trauma. I think it's a bad luck sort of thing. We'll get a urine sample, find out if there's crystals, if there's stones. But he will be here for at least 24 hours, maybe 48 hours.
Okay.
Okay? Estimate-wise, if these guys respond really well, and it's just blood work and hospitalization for a day or two, probably still going to be between the 700 and 900.
Okay.
Okay? If it takes a couple days intensive therapy, it can be as high as 1,500. I'm not going to do anything that's unnecessary, but I want you to know what you're getting into.
Right.
Okay? So, but we will be here for at least 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay? So,
Sorry, Midnight.
I'm sorry, love. So, hang out for just a second. We're going to get a release. I will try to do just kind of a generalized estimate so you know.
Okay.
And I'll stick to that estimate. If I change it, I'll call you first.
All right.
But I'll at least get us through the next 36 hours.
All right.
Thank
Okay?
you very much.
All right. But this is something we can fix and hopefully make some steps in diet or food supplements to kind of keep it from happening again.
Okay.
Okay? All right, baby.
You
I'm
keep
sorry.
the carrier.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
gonna keep it going. Okay, babe. You're good. You're good. You're good. The good thing is you didn't break anything. Okay, love.
Yeah.
That's
that's-
anything you did wrong or could have known that was happening. And of course, it happens on a weekend.
Right.
So what happens on a normal day is he eats tonight and then comes in tomorrow and is a little lethargic and a little off, and you're like, I'm gonna get you checked out, and we catch it really quick. Okay, but I've seen these guys, and this is a good thing he came back to you. I've seen these guys go crawl under a bush and die.
Yes.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because they
So the doctor found right away the problem, guys. Something wrong with the bladder is blocked, guys, and he couldn't pee. And what he said, guys, good thing he was able to find his way back to the house. Because
if you got one more day, like by tonight, he'd be dying, very dead.
So buti na lang na ano namin siya, guys, na agapan natin ito. Ako nagpasalamat talaga, ako nagpray talaga ako last night, guys, kasi hindi ko siya makita ba. Tapos nagpray ako na sana magpakita man lang siya. So kaninang umaga, yun nga, sobrang basang-basa siya at hindi nga siya lumapit sa amin. Kaya sabi namin ni John, may problema talaga sa pusa na ito. Kaya buti na lang talaga na agapan natin today. Buti na lang umuwi talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya nagsuot.
He said sometimes this happens to the cats and they just go someplace and die.
Oo. So
because they don't trust anybody. Now they're in pain, so they hide. They don't know what to do. In this case, he found his way into the yard.
He's found his way, guys. Grabe. The Lord talaga. Si Lord talaga ang nagpabalik sa kanya sa bahay, guys. Wag na nating isipin yung gastos. 1,500. Ala, dear, no?
Up to, yeah.
Up to 1,500. Parang pambili ng ticket sa Pinas, dear. Like a ticket going to Philippines.
I'm gonna call my insurance company soon.
Hindi muna tayo cancel ang bakasyon ni Johannes andyan, cancel ang dinner party.
Right.
Magdi-dinner party kasi surprise daw sana ako ni Jan, pero hindi na surprise kasi nasabi na niya sa akin na saan ko daw ba gustong mag-dinner doon sa may doon Fort Lauderdale, dear. Where is the Hard Rock? The G7. Fort Lauderdale.
I think Wyndham Hotel.
Ayun.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale, doon kami magdi-dinner. Sabi ni Jan, it's not going to be a secret anymore because I already told you. Cancel na lang natin yung dinner kasi ang mahal ng ng pusa natin, guys. Pero walang problema yan, guys. Ang importante magiging okay siya. Yun naman talaga ang mahalaga. Ang pera nakikita lang yan eh. The money is there. No? You'll just work hard and you will earn the money. And then pagtrabahuin na lang natin si Midnight here. Midnight will have a job. Midnight, magpagaling ka muna dyan dahil pagbalik mo marami ka ng trabaho. Mag-vlogger ka na pagbalik mo. No, just kidding, guys. Oy. Ang importante, guys, is gumaling yung mga alaga natin. Kahit na magkano pa yan, basta gumaling lang sila. Did you miss your friend? Did you miss your friend? Hi guys, kakabalik ko lang from doctor's appointment at tignan na natin yung progress nitong ating back bedroom. Wow, ang bilis! It's just the half day. Look at that. Ang galing! Ito na ang ating dream house. Unti-unti nang natutupad ang ating mga pangarap. Until there, oh.
I asked him to take the doors out, but they're still there.
Maybe he didn't understand.
Yeah, I told basura.
So, do we take this out or no?
No, wait till I'll talk to Ever.
Okay. So, ito, stay lang ito dito, guys, kasi pwede pa natin yung lagyan dito ng mga, kung ano-ano, mga books, or maybe display also. And then here, we can put our clothes. And then, lalagyan natin ito ng bifold doors dito. Parang ganito siya, pero bifold siya. And then, on this one, I think they're gonna finish tomorrow. Kasi 2 days lang daw ito eh. Matatapos na siya in 2 days. So, yun lang naman siya, guys. Basically, ang gagawin na talaga is lagyan lang siya ng shelvings para yung mga bags ko mailalagay natin dito, ma-organize natin siya. Sayang kasi yung space kung hindi magagamit. Hindi namin to ginamit is because of this. It's hard. Ayan, it's very hassle to open. Like that, it's very hard.
Yeah, it defeats the purpose.
So, ayan. So, ito ang magiging look. Ayan. Ayan, aayusin din natin yan dito. Gagawin ko yung office computer table. And then, ito na siya. Ang ganda na niya tignan, guys. O, diba? Ito na ang bagong office ni Johannes. And then, pag may mga friends tayo na mag-sleep over dito, may kama naman tayo dito, guys. Ayan, aayusin pa natin to. O, diba? So, magiging maganda na ang back bedroom natin. Hindi lang siya basta parang tawag dito parang bodega or what, no? So papagandahin natin yan, guys. Ngayon, lunchtime na And nakuha na namin yung result pala. Actually, hindi lahat ng result na ibigay sa amin, pero sabi daw parang medyo malaki daw ang magiging gastos ni Midnight yung earring namin, guys, kasi may something daw siya sa kanyang kidney. So, imo-monitor pa nila. May mga series of tests pa sila na ginawa, guys. At hihintayin pa natin yung result within the day there or tomorrow, the result of the blood test, series of tests.
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Tatawagan lang si Jan, but
he will call me later, but I don't know what he's gonna tell me.
Tatawagan daw si Jan, guys. So hopefully hindi siya ganun kalala, no? Na wherein we put him sa medication or ganyan, kasi sabi ni Jan saan daw kami kukuha ng pera nito. Where we're gonna get the money. So I really need your help, guys, with this one. We are asking you to pray for the fast recovery of lovely Midnight para hindi na siya mahirapan pa, guys. And of course, sana sa mga follower or subscribers ni Johannes and Jan, sana wag po tayong mag-skip dahil lahat po ng kikitain para sa vlog ko na ito ay mapupunta po kay lovely Midnight sa kanyang medical bill. So, malaking tulong po ang hindi ninyo pag-skip sa aking mga ads. So, ngayon pa lang magpapasalamat na ako, guys, sa inyo ng malaki dahil sa tulong na ibibigay nyo sa akin. So, ganun lang naman tayo, guys. Magtulungan tayo. Ako, tinutulungan nyo ako. At kayo naman ay tutulungan ko rin sa ibang paraan. So, we really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much because we can't do this without you.
Right.
No? I mean, we can, but of course, we're gonna get it from our savings, which is, we have a lot of bills to pay also here in America, because when you say America, it's not American dream anymore. So,
it's American job.
American job. So, kailangan magtrabaho tayo dito. Work para ano tayo sa medical bills, no? And, of course, hindi lang naman sa mga alaga natin, kung hindi sa amin din ni Jan, no? May pangailangan din kami. Of course, sa pamilya din back in Pinas. So, I really appreciate you guys. Whatever I can do, maibabalik ko yan sa inyo sa ibang paraan, no? Nagtutulungan tayo, tinutulungan nyo ako, at tinutulungan ko rin kayo. So, yun lamang po, guys. Salad. Magsasalad lang si Jan, mixed greens, cucumber, and tomato. Oh, by the way, dear, let's open this one. I'm curious. See if, kasi sabi ni Jan, it's not ready pa daw, no? When we pick up this one, you said it.
It's right there on top.
It's like, what do you call that, dear? It's like a hat ba? Kumbaga sa atin is a hat. Rubber daw siya. So, we'll see kung, kaya nga hindi ko pa siya hina-harvest, guys. Sa mga
Are you gonna have any salad?
Okay, a little, darling. I'm gonna have a little. Ay, bongga. Oh, ito na po yung avocado. First harvest natin. Ito yung sa gitna ng bahay natin na avocado. And we'll see kung okay man siya, dear. Looks okay man siya, darling.
Looks are one thing.
Huh?
I said looks are one thing.
Okay, let's try it.
Don't judge the book, right?
Uh-huh. That's true. Okay, put it in the salad, I think. Okay. Ano, okay siya, darling. For me, okay siya. Let me try it first.
Then you got covered up with sugar.
Okay naman siya, darling.
No, what tree is this from?
Middle. For me, it's okay.
Try this one.
Ito yung sa likod ng bahay natin. Try natin to. Kasi sabi niyo raspberry daw ito eh. I think ibang variety din siya. Ito siya, dear, looks like, smells bitter. Smells bitter. Oh.
It needs to be more ripe, but the flavor is not bad. For me, it tastes better than that one.
This one is better? The one in the back?
Yes.
Ano kayang variety ito? I don't know. Is this different variety there?
Yeah, I don't know where it came from. Just showed up. Started growing.
This one is better. So this one, I think it's gonna be ready tomorrow. Nabunol na siya guys. Sige, pislit-pislit. In the ranch. DPD. Sige daw.
Dippity-doo.
Sige daw. Dip in the ranch daw, darling, if it's good. Let me dip it also. It's better. Mmm!
Yeah, I like a firm avocado. As long as they taste good.
It's not bitter, no?
Usually when they're young,
They're bitter.
Yeah. This is no after.
Just like our basher. They're bitter.
Very bitter.
Si Jan, magsasalad siya ako. Pansit. Ito. Ito yung pansit. Iinitin ko lang siya. Oh, look at that. Pansit with mushroom and then merong chicken. Actually, noodles ito guys. Yung regular noodles, tapos ginawa niya na parang pansit canton. Ginisa niya, tapos nilagyan niya ng mushroom. May mga twist. Alam mo naman yan si Jan. Mahilig sa twist. Ay, magsalad pala muna ako. Ayan, salad with ranch dressing and cheese. So mamaya malalaman natin yung result. Hopefully hindi siya ganun ka-serious. Pero kung ano man ang mangyari, nakahanda na rin kami niyan. Ang sarap guys ng leftover. Leftover noodles. Punong-puno na naman ang malaking basurahan. Anong biyaya kaya ang makukuha natin? Ano to? Nasa harapan lang. Chocolate. Ayun, may mga fake nails. Mukhang marami akong nakapa. It's like there's something. Ayan oh. Ayala. Parang mga pabango or air freshener. Hindi ko lang sure. Hakutin ko na. Lagay natin sa car. Wow.
Poopery.
Uy, wow. Ito na, namamasura na naman si Johannes andyan para may mabiyaya. Ay ba? Uy, ang dami nito oh. Ayan, kunin natin lahat yan. Hala ka, ang bigat nito darling. Hala, ang dami. Ano yan? May mga damit. May mga damit. Kunin natin yan. Nakakatuwa guys kasi may dala-dala naman akong guantes or hand gloves pero hindi ko talaga nasusuot siya guys. Kapag ganito na-excite ako sa mga makukuha ko, nakakalimutan ko na. Nilagay ko lang siya guys sa plastic bag, yung black bag kasi basa yung mga basurahan. Umulan kasi ng malakas kagabi. May mga nakikita akong makeup guys kaya excited na ako na buksan ito sa bahay. 4 na bag yung nakuha natin ngayong gabi. Ang dami. 4 na mga bags ito guys at na-excite ako kung ano ang mga laman ito. Mabigat ha?
3 bags?
4. Nilagay ko siya sa plastic bag. Basa siya. Ayan, as you can see, oh, it's wet. So nilagay namin siya dito. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon, dahil basura day tomorrow, sabi ni Jan, ngayon na namin siya i-unbox para matapo natin yung mga hindi natin kailangan. May mga nakita akong damit dito guys. Allah, oh! May mga nakita din akong lotion. So, 4 ito. Ito yung pinakamabigat. Mamaya na lang natin buksan yung pinakamabigat. Start tayo dito sa una, darling. So, for our first bag, ayan, tapos itapo natin diretso guys yung iba na hindi na magagamit. Okay, first is, Furblets? Ano tong Furblets?
Furblets.
What is that? Ala, sinira ko na guys.
Some kind of toy.
It's a toy. Is it for the... Oh! Ayan, ang ating first na nakuha.
So what does it say on the thing? It looks like it does something. What's it?
May battery siya, oh.
What's it say on the box?
Hindi ko lang sure kung paano siya gamitin. But anyway, that's the first one. Second one is Style on Steroids Enhancing Finishing Spray. I don't know what this one. Color Wow. May laman siya guys. Style on Steroids. I don't know what that means. May mga gloves. Ayan oh, may mga gloves. Magagamit natin to pag namasura tayo or in Anyway, dito, may lotion, dry skin therapy. Kailangan ko yan kasi dry skin ako. Hala, may mga lipstick, darling.
Wow.
Ayan, oh.
Just in time.
Just in time. Ayan, may mga lipstick. Okay, may para sa eyebrow, darling. Tapos may lipstick. Ayan, hala, may para sa nails, ang dami. Hala, ang daming para sa kilay, guys.
Alright.
Uy, hala, ang daming para sa kilay. Marami ang matutuwa nito. Alam mo naman si Johannes, binibigay ko yan sa Pilipinas, guys. Basta hindi lang pagkain, binibigay ko sa Pilipinas. Pero pag pagkain, $3 for the... Oh! Uy, muscle therapy. Kailangan natin to, dear. Yes. Oh? What's that for? Joint and muscle therapy. May mga candy pero wala na siyang ano eh. Ay, Dramamine!
There you go.
Motion sickness pag nag-cruise tayo. Ang dami ko talagang mga pwedeng gamitin dito, guys. Dramamine kasi isa yan sa mga kailangan natin. Oh, laka. Ano to? L'Oreal. Mahal ang L'Oreal. Oh, laka, dear. Eyebrows na L'Oreal. Hoy! Perfect!
What's in the silver box?
Saan? Ito? Starface Hydro Pimple Patches. Ay! Pimple patches! Kapag ka ano, may mga pimples ka, guys,
Perfect for the
matatakpan.
cruise.
Oo, matatakpan yan siya. Matatakpan. Ano to, dear pharmacy? Ano to? Children sticker book? Oh, sticker book. Ay, nato, nabasa kasi siya eh. Huwag na natin kunin yan. Oh, ang daming mga nails. Ang daming mga para sa nails, guys. Oh, nail technician pa naman yung pinsan ko. Ay, wala nang laman.
Doesn't look like it's all there. Or is it? They used it once.
Medyas. Ah, knee sleeve. Ala ko medyas. Okay. First bag, done tayo, guys. At least matatapon natin ito bukas kasi basura din. Okay, second bag tayo. Second bag tayo. Hala ka. Ano yan, dear? Magnet. Ayan, oh, magnet. Tapos lagyan mo ng picture. I think picture. Rubber frame with magnet. Ayan, rubber frame with... Hala ka. Ano to, dear? Birthday cake? Ano to? Potpourri? Birthday cake? Toilet spray? Ha? Before you go, toilet spray. Vanilla coconut. Ano to, dear? It's just birthday cake. Toilet spray.
Smells like birthday cake.
Okay.
Instead
So, para
of
sa
poop.
Oh, okay. Magagamit natin to sa banyo natin, dear. We can use in our bathroom pag malibang ka. Hala ka, darling. Silyado pa talaga siya, guys. Ganito talaga sila magtapon. Wet and Wild. Wet and Wild. I think lip shiner yan. Hala, ang dami, guys. Uy, gusto nyo ba to? Para siyang air freshener, darling. For the bathroom.
Lots of it.
Uy, that's good. That's good. Magagamit natin yan. Hala, ay, may cookies. Binuksan nila yung cookies, guys. O, sayang.
Are they still crisp?
Oo, binuksan nila eh. Ano to, dear? Para saan to? What's this one? Minifigures.
I don't know. It looks like toys.
Lego. O, pwede yan sa mga pamangkin natin. Hala, ang dami talagang ganito, guys. Oh, mga nail technician dyan magagamit. Uy, hala, ang daming mask. Magagamit natin tong mask kasi nakasilyado naman siya, guys. Hala ko, grabe. Ang dami nito, darling. Ang dami na nitong nakuha ko, guys, para sa nails. So, matutuwa. Oh, iba-ibang klase, dear. Iba-ibang brand. Do we use this, ano, dear?
Maybe.
Maybe we can use this sa pag-travel natin. Baka kailangan natin yan. Ayan, ang dami talaga nitong parang spray. Ano tawag dito? Ano to? Oh, earplugs! Magagamit na naman sa pag-travel natin. Hala, ang dami talaga. Hala. Uy,
Lots of nails.
Pwede natin ibigay ito sa may
Lots
mga
of
salon.
spray.
Comment kayo kung may mga salon sila, darling. We can give it to them. If they have salon ba? Okay, wala na. Okay, double check, triple check. Okay. Next bag tayo. Second bag, third bag. Hala, papunta na tayo sa mabigat na bags, guys. Okay, the third bag will be... Ayan na, guys. Third bag tayo, third bag. Ay, parang may mga... Ay, wala na po. Okay, walang laman. Third bag. Ooh!
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Organic.
Uy. Tignan natin. March 2026. Ayan, March 2026. Vita Coco. Kaso nga lang parang basa na siya, dear. No, not good na, dear. Kasi, hala, we really did this. Paper bags. Lagyan natin ng mga fruits. Pag namimigay tayo ng avocado. You know what? I was talking to Jan. Hala, wala na tayong paper bag para sa avocado pag may manghingi ng avocado dito, guys ba? Ito yung susudlan natin. Ayan. Perfect yan, darling.
Thought it was clothing when I first saw it.
Me too. I thought it was clothing. Ayan, binuksan nila yung juice. Yung cookies. Ay, ice cream pala ito, darling. Sayang. Ice cream sana.
What's in the big box? Nothing?
Nothing. And this one? Halloween cheese ball. Cheese ball treat. Let me check kung naka-plastic. Naka-individual plastic pala siya, darling. Ayan, So
But it's Halloween. It's very early.
Ay, November 2025 siya ma-expire. Ayan po, ang dami.
Why would they have Halloween?
Right. It's too early. Tinapon na nila. Pero November 2025 siya, guys. Hindi ako nagbibiro sa inyo, ha. Ayan, November 2025.
It's still good. We'll have to try some.
Yeah, we have to try some. Lamig na siya.
No Snickers?
Wala siya Snickers, darling ba? Okay, let's try this one. Tignan natin ito. Alaka! Naka-jackpot sapatos from the dumpster, guys. Wow! Anong size? Mamaya ko na problemahin yan. Alaka, darling!
Oh, nice!
Uy, nice this one!
Wow, why would they throw that away?
Dear, save the best for last!
Right.
Ang pinaka-last na hydroactive. Magagamit natin to, dear, pag nag-travel tayo. Ayan, guys. Wow! Halaka, ano to?
Yoga pants!
Ay, yoga pants! Uy!
Wow!
Perfect ito, yoga pants.
Jackpot!
Tag-isa tayo, darling!
One for each!
One for you, one for me. Mission, mamahalin ito, guys. Ooh, wow!
Wowee!
That's really nice.
Right?
This is our cap.
Just your style.
My style. Ito talaga ang style ko, guys. Mahal ito. Mga kalo nakuha sa basurahan, guys. Kailangan labahan na natin ito. Ay, may something.
Oh, it's a little ice cream. We'll wash it.
Oo.
We'll just put it in the washing machine.
Oo. Ayan, so i-washing natin yan. I-washing natin to. At saka yung sapatos. Ay, ito ata yung natapon, darling. Chocolate. Sneakers ang natapon. Ito, tignan natin kung ano to. Masarap to mga vitamins to, darling Baka expire na ito, no? To April 2025. Expire na nga siya. Ito, December 2025. December 8, 2025. Pero yung iba kasi wag na natin tong kunin, dear, mga organic coconut water, no? No? Not good with the coconut water.
We have our own organic coconut water.
Oo. Wag na lang yung mga drinks.
Okay.
Wag na lang yung mga drinks, guys. So, itatapon natin yun.
That's it.
That's it, guys. Let me put it here, darling, first. Natin yan. Grabe, ang dami nito, darling! Ang dami ng mga nakuha natin ngayong gabi. Ito talaga ang pinakamarami, darling. Yung sa mga nails, guys. Yung mga may nail technician dyan. Nail technician, guys.
Sheena, babe.
Oo, si Sheena, tama. Sa'yo to lahat, babe. Ibigay ko to lahat sa'yo. Hala, ang daming mga makeup, guys. Grabe, ang daming mga makeup. Para sa mga pilok, para sa mga kilay. Ayan. Sobrang dami. May mga gloves. Tapos meron tayong maraming mga mask na nakuha. And of course, itong napakasarap. Ayan, wow! Ang dami nito. Matutuwa ang mga pamangkin ko nito. Kasi cheese balls ito At saka hindi pa siya expired November 2025. Di ba uwi ako ng November? Madadala ko ito, guys.
They have to be fresh. It's for Halloween.
Oo. Hindi pa nag-Halloween pero tinapon na nila. Ayan, ang daming mga ganito cheese balls. So, yan po ang mga nakuha natin ngayong gabi. Wow! Guys, eto na yung mga nakuha namin na cup sa basurahan. Nilabhan na ni Jan. Ang gaganda pala niya, guys. Kapag nalabhan na, okay pala. Magagamit natin to for the garden.
Yeah.
Or for the cruise.
Yes.
Mag-plant kami ngayon. Mamimili tayo ng mga flowers. Ito, isa din to sa mga nakuha namin kagabi.
Still have a string in there.
Ay, oo. Nilabhan ni Jan ito, guys. Ang ganda! Perfect! Pang ano to, dear? Pang golf. Ayan, Yan. Ito yung mga nakukuha. This is the perks of going dumpster. Ay! Better than all my cups! Kasi look there, it's smooth
soft.
here. It's soft.
Very soft.
No, here also, because all our cups are hard. Even the Ralph Lauren cups is a little hard. You wanna try? It's really good. I-try mo, darling. Na. See? It's very
On the
nice.
inside it says wet to cool.
Ah, okay.
Whatever that means.
Ang ganda talaga niya, guys.
The
Alam
little
mo,
things we find.
dear, I remember my lolo. For him, this is one of the cups that he liked. Kind of hot pala.
It covers your ears. And
Yes,
everything.
this is the kind of hat that when he goes to the farm, magpa-plow siya, ito yung ginagamit niya. Ito yung mga palagi kong pasalubong sa kanya kapag namimiss ko tuloy yung lolo ko. Because we're going to shop flowers soon.
Clean the flower bed out.
Yes, I will clean it. Kasi si John busy kasi siya dito, nag-straighten siya ng ating shed. So ako naman doon sa harapan ng bahay. Ito yung isusuot ko. Ala, ang ganda nito, guys. As in, hindi ako makapaniwala, guys, talaga na ito yung mga nakukuha natin sa pamamasura. Pinagtatawanan kami ng iba. Ano yung pamamasura nyo dyan sa Amerika, Johannes? Nakakahiya naman. Hindi nakakahiya pag mga ganito yung mga nakukuha natin sa basurahan. Comfy talaga siya sa ulo. Haong talaga siya sa ulo, guys. Kaya nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, no? Lahat ng mga nakikita namin sa basurahan, ginagamit din talaga namin personally. At saka, guys, please lang kapag nanalo kayo, ayusin nyo yung messenger nyo para ma-message ko kayo. Kasi yung iba, this person is unavailable on messenger. Paano ko kayo makukontak? Ang dami ko nang na-encounter na ganyan. So, please lang ayusin nyo ang messenger nyo. May mga nanalo nga, no? Pero hindi naman natin nabigyan ng prize kasi nga, hindi ko sila makontak or hindi nila ako kinontak. Marami pa doon, guys. Marami akong nakita ng mga mamahaling mga makeup like mga L'Oreal. Ibang brand, guys. Pero may nakita ako na L'Oreal. Di ba mamahalin yung L'Oreal? Ang dami. Ano pa ba? Air freshener, yung birthday cake. Akala ko ano yun. Ano pala yun? Parang air freshener. Pag malibang ka, hindi manimaho ba? Mga fake nails. Yun. May mga pinsan din kasi ako na nail technician. So, magagamit nila yun. Sapatos. Ayan, may nakita akong sapatos. Yoga pants. Ayan, may nakita ako. Mahappy na naman yung pamilya ko nito, guys, na mabiyayaan. So, ganyan lang, guys. Diskarte lang ang kailangan natin dito. Hindi porket nasa Amerika ka na, ay, tatamad-tamad ka. 'Di ba? So, pag nasa Amerika ka, gagawa ka ng paraan. Sideline ba? Kumbaga, sideline para magka-extra money ka. Guys, tinignan ko siya sa Google. Itong mga cups na ito, yung mga Mission ang brand. Ayan, Mission ang brand niya. Nagkakahalaga pala siya, guys, ng mga $25 to $35. So, sobrang mahal pala nito. Kasi may nakalagay dito na wet to cool. Sabi ko, ano ibig sabihin nito? Kaya pala sabi ko, sobrang comfy niya. Baka mamahalin ito. Mamahalin nga, guys. Hala, ang swerte namin dito kasi nasa $35 ang isa. So, sobrang mahal niya. Tapos yung kay Jan, camouflage kay Jan, di ba, tinignan ko, $35. Tapos ito nasa $34. So, mahal. Ibig sabihin, nasa 1,500 to 1,800 pesos. Hala ka. Grabe, ang mahal pala. Kaya pala sabi ko, napaka-comfy at napaka-cool niya. So, perfect talaga ito ngayong tag-init. Kaya napaka-sure. Guys, hindi ko ito ibibigay sa inyo, guys, ha? Gagamitin namin ito ni Jen kasi kailangan namin. Sobrang init din kasi dito sa Florida. Alam nyo ba dito sa Florida, guys, parang mas mainit pa dito kaysa dyan sa Pilipinas. Hala, naswertihan ako dito. Salamat, Lord, sa mga blessings sa basurahan. Huwag na kayong tumaas ang kilay, guys, kapag namamasura kami ni Jen. Kasi ito, yung mga nakukuha natin sa basurahan, mga jackpot talaga, blessings ito. Hindi ko iniisip na nakakadiri dahil galing sa basurahan. Ito, nilabahan lang ni Jan. Ito, perfect na. Nilabahan ni Jan ito kasi nagkabulingit ito ng isagol kasi ito sa ibang mga basura like mga chocolate. So, na ano siya, nagkabulingit yung aking nagkabulingit yung aking kalo. So, nung nilabahan na ni Jan, ayan, perfect na siya. Oh, Mission. Oh, nagamit ang mask galing sa basurahan, guys. Hindi nasasayang. Or maybe you wanna use also the gloves. We have gloves also from the dumpster. Sa dumpster din niya nakuha. Ililipat siguro natin tong aloe vera. Ito, impatience din ito, guys, eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na ito namulaklak. Hindi ba ito season ngayon? So, bubunutin ko lang siya. Mabilis lang siyang linisan ang garden natin, guys. So, mamaya, maka-flower hunting tayo. Punta lang tayo sa nursery or hindi kaya sa Home Depot at maghahanap tayo. Siguro hindi naman impatient. Sa ibang variety naman ng flowers ang itatry nating itanim dito. Maghahanap, magre-research pa ako kung ano yung pwede na hindi na kailangan, guys, ng sikat ng araw. Kasi dito sa harapan ng bahay, hindi talaga 100% naaarawan dito. Ito yung gusto ko kasi mabilis lang siyang palitan yung flowers. Hindi ko natatanggalin yung mga dahon kasi fertilizer naman yan. Sabi ni Jan, iiwanan ko daw itong purple na plant na yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung tawag dyan guys. Comment kayo. Tapos itong aloe vera, hindi ko to kukunin. Ay, ito galing din to sa dumpster. Anong plant kaya ito? Nakalimutan ko.
So we need more soil?
I don't think so. Pupunta dito sa Sabado yung mga kaibigan ko. May mga natitira pa namang star fruits dito. Ayan yung iba green pa. Ayan oh. Yung iba pa pahinog pa lang eh. Ayan sa kanila na yan. May mga meron pa sa ilalim. Ayan oh. Sa taas meron pa nga din sa taas eh. Magha-harvest tayo ng avocado pagdating nila dito. Alis lang kami ni Jan guys saglit dahil magsa-shopping tayo ng tiles. Dahil ipapa-tiles daw natin itong sa harapan ng bahay. And hindi ko alam kung anong kulay ng tiles ang ating kukunin. Ayan, inaayos pa rin nila itong back bedroom natin. And malapit na matapos. I think patatapos na siya today.
We're leaving. We'll be back. Afuera. We'll come back.
Yan po yung papalitan natin. Ayan, papalitan. Ita-tiles daw sabi ni Jan. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong color. Pero yung rough lang na tiles para hindi slippery. So yan yung aayusin natin. Uy, tinapon na pala ni Jan yung ano oh.
Steamer.
Steamer.
Broken.
Kala ko vacuum cleaner.
Maybe somebody wants to fix it.
Oo, magwe-withdraw pala kami ng pera guys para ibayad. Alam nyo guys, I'm very happy because nakilala namin yan sila. Sobrang mura lang talaga nila. Napakabait nila. How many years now we've known them? 3 years? At least.
At least.
Oo, 3 years. And actually, through a friend, nakilala namin sila. Sobrang mura talaga nila maningil dear, no? Like $500 only. For that back bedroom, they will make it beautiful for only $500. And how many dollars for the tiles dear? On the steps?
$550.
In front of the house, $550. O diba? Sobrang mura lang nila maningil guys, kaya marami silang mga customers na nagustuhan sila at pabalik-balik. And I'm so impressed dear of Rosie because babae siya guys, no? And he does all the work na panlalaki. I'm impressed talaga with her darling. I think she's in her 20s. Ang galing niya talaga guys, limpisa, magliha, kung ano-anong ginagawa niya guys na talagang na-impress talaga ako. Sabi ko, hindi man ito trabaho ng pambabae. Uy, pero alam mo lahat ng bagay naman natututunan guys kapag gusto mong matuto.
It's probably how they survived in their home country.
Magalang, napakamarespeto, at saka ginagalang nila yung oras. Pag ganitong oras ang sinabi nila na pupunta sila, ganitong oras talaga sila pupunta. Nandito na tayo sa Floor and Decor. Tara, samahan nyo kami mag-shopping ng tiles ngayon dito sa Floor and Decor. $150 guys sa tiles na 4 na box ang kinuha namin. Ayan, unti-unti na natutupad ang pangarap ni Johannes para sa kanyang dream house. Ready? Kaya pag dalawa. So gutom na ako, lunch time na, pauwi na tayo. And mamaya susunduin na natin si Kitty Kitty Midnight. I miss my lovely Midnight. Alam nyo, mas mahal pa yung medical bills niya kaysa sa mga materialis at bayad sa bahay. Totoo talaga yan, mas mahal pa yung medical bills ni Midnight kaysa sa materialis at saka sa labor. But anyway, punta tayo ng nursery guys dahil titingin tayo, magka-canvas tayo kung magkano yung mga flowers nila. Zinnia? You mentioned Zinnia?
Zinnias, yeah.
Zinnia. Ayan, para hindi naman palaging impatience. Palagi kasing impatience yung tinatanim namin doon. So para maiba naman guys, Zinnia naman yung aming pipiliin. Tignan ko nga sa Google kung ano yung itsura ng Zinnia. Parang ganito sa probinsya. Parang dahlia. Parang siyang dahlia. Ganyan oh. Dahlia nga siguro ito. Ayan oh, Zinnia dahlia flower. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa nursery.
All this stuff is out in the full sun. We gotta find out if this stuff survives in the shade. Little white flowers. That's a jasmine. That'll smell good.
Ayan, ang dami dito mga binibenta pala ng mga flowers. Pero yun nga, ang hinahanap natin na flowers is yung makasurvive kahit na hindi siya masyadong nasisikatan ng araw. Yun yung mga flowers na hinahanap natin. Ayan oh, ang dami.
All of those. See, but these are out in the full sun, which leads me to believe that they're better with lots
Sunlight.
of sun.
Lots of sunlight ito guys. Ayan oh.
Oh, and then we never
Lantana. Oo, lantana.
counted how many we're gonna need.
Init. Sobrang init guys. Wala kaming napili kasi mostly sa mga flowers na nandito require sunlight. So maghanap pa tayo sa ibang store. Non-stop oh. Blooms non-stop. You like that?
Yeah, that's pretty.
4 to 6 hours of spark sun. That's good. The receipt, Bill, let me check the receipt. That's maybe there's a discount. Bill? Only 24. 12, 12, 24 times 2, 48. Should be 48. Kailangan nating maging honest guys kasi ang na-punch is 24 lang. Dapat 48. Most busy fast food chain in America is Chick-fil-A. At nandito tayo ngayon para mag-order tayo ng for lunch. Ayaw ni dyan ng Chick-fil-A guys. So ako lang yung nag-order. $10.43 sa isang order. Combo na yun siya. Spicy sandwich. Spicy chicken sandwich yung in-order ko with fries na yun siya and Coke. Their Coke is different no from other Coke. Kasi when you order Coke guys, sometimes you can taste paper, sometimes you can taste ice, sometimes you can taste the cup. So this one is really different, no? Their soda is different. Yung fries nila talagang fresh from the fryer, no?
Oh, the food's just better here.
Better talaga. Kaya makikita mo pila talaga. Pila baldi talaga dito guys.
They make a point of it. That's why they're so busy.
Alam nyo ba guys, trivia, dyan applied to franchise Chick-fil-A kasi it's only $10,000. Hindi siya nakapasa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga requirements. Maybe super strict sila there no when it comes to their franchisee. Kasi for sure a lot of people franchising this one because it's only $10,000. Check nyo online. And then they're they're religious. This one, no, this company, very religious.
Well, yeah, they're Christian based. Closed on Sunday.
Oo, close sila on Sunday. Pero grabe talaga no, this is one of the, alam nyo kung mag-apply kami ulit ni Jan, ito ulit yung applyan namin and hopefully matanggap na tayo sa sunod. You're basically running for their store, managing their store.
Yes.
So it's like when you get the franchise, parang they will get a cut no from you.
Oh, of course.
Like I don't know how many
you have to
percent.
run a good ship or you're gone.
Yes.
The difference is, well, that was years ago, but the difference is you can earn up to
200,000. That was 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Yung bago pa lang kami nagkakilala ni Jan. Ngayon, maybe you will earn to 50 to 300. Ayan na. Ito na.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan. May sauce. Ay, ang bango ng fries. May dinaanan lang si Jan guys dito sa Aldi pero hindi na ako pumasok kasi sabi ko ano lang naman yung bibilhin niya, chicken wings lang naman yung bibilhin niya. So kain tayo guys. Everything is fresh talaga sa Chick-fil-A. Hindi ito sponsored ha. Siguro sa bahay ko nakakainin yung burger natin. Masarap yung kanilang sauce ha, yung Chick-fil-A sauce. Gusto ko yung kanilang Chick-fil-A sauce. Natuwa si ate kanina yung binalik namin na yung sa Home Depot. So kailangan nating maging honest guys no. Kung hindi tama yung pagka-punch nila, kailangan natin maging honest kasi kawawa naman sila. Matcha-charge sa kanila yun guys. Actually hindi naman siguro matcha-charge sa kanila kasi hindi naman malalaman. Pero pera lang yan eh. Kikitain pa natin yan. Pero ang gaba, dili magsaba. Kaya bumalik talaga kami ni Jan at nagbayad kami. Kasi sabi ko, may 50% discount ba ito kasi $1.98 ang presyo ng isang flour. Tapos $50 lang nabayaran ni Jan. Sabi ko, ay mali talaga. Kaya sabi ni Jan, tara balikan natin. Sabi ko, yes, that's the right thing to do. Itama ang mali. Nakasave ka nga ng $50. Magabaan ng bugka. So mas mabuti nang maging honest. $50 lang yan guys. Kikitain natin yan kasi maraming nagmamahal sa atin. Natuwa siya. Sabi niya kung ibang tao pa yung hindi yun ibabalik o hindi yun babalik, which is true. Kami ni Jan kahit gaano namin ka hirap sa buhay, hindi namin kayang mangbuyo ng mga tao. Mamaya pala nakikita nyo na si Kitty Midnight. Buti na lang walang problema sa kanyang mga test result, mga lab test ng iring namin. Kung hindi, sobrang mahal ng babayaran natin. Hindi pa namin alam kung magkano yung babayaran natin sa veterinary clinic. Pero sabi ang maximum daw is 1,500. Grabe no? Hala, magkano kaya yung mababayaran natin? Pero sabi naman kasi nung doctor dear, if everything went well for all the tests, sabi niya, it's gonna be 700 to 700, pero maximum is 1,500. Sana hindi tayo sa maximum 1,500 kasi para talaga siyang, alam mo yun, ang bayad ng medical bill dito is parang same lang sa tao na hospital.
That's why they keep doing tests.
Pero okay na yun guys. Ang importante na save natin si Kitty Midnight from a danger, kasi danger, ikamamatay niya talaga yun guys kapag ka hindi namin na save. Niyan na si Midnight. Eto na si Midnight. Hi Midnight. Midnight. Hi. I don't hear her cry.
He wants to see him again in 10 days.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Has to be. He wants him to stay inside 7 to 10 days.
No oral meds are being dispensed. Okay, the $1 million question is, how much did you pay?
1,060 something.
1,060.
Oh, I was expecting it to be at least $900 because of the 2 overnights.
It's like a human, no?
Yeah.
Hi Midnight. There she is.
Everybody has to pay their bills.
Hi Midnight.
This veterinarian's like, text me if you have to. I'm working on the weekend.
Hopefully our video today will reach $1,000 in revenue, so it will pay for our medical bills for Kitty Midnight. Kitty Midnight, you have to start working now.
Hi, Kitty Midnight. Are you afraid?
Hi Midnight.
It's gonna be more. It'll be better. You know everybody.
Looks familiar. You must be very hungry. We miss you. Hindi daw muna siya papalabasin for 10 days, dear. 10 days. It should be inside the house for 10 days.
Yeah, 7 to 10.
7 to 10 days para daw ma-monitor siya, and then 7 to 10 days ibabalik natin siya doon para i-test ulit, i-check kung okay pa rin yung kanyang result. So, pwede na siyang maging outdoor kitty. So, for now, dito muna siya sa loob. And huwag natin siyang hayaang lumabas kasi hindi natin alam kung saan na naman siya magsususuot. At least dito sa loob ng bahay, ma-monitor natin siya. And meron na rin kami dito sa loob ng bahay na yung litter. So, para pag nangihi siya or nalibang siya, alam niya kung saan siya pupwesto. So, that's it for now, guys. Ito yung dinner natin mamaya. Ayan. Or siguro pork ribs, depende.
Can have both.
We can have both. Okay, that's good. Right, and hopefully hindi kayo nag-skip, guys, para mabayaran natin ang medical bills. $1,000. Actually, nabayaran naman na namin, guys. $1,000 medical bills.
$1,100.
$1,100 for the medical bill. So, parang tao talaga nun na hospital. But anyway, alagaan na natin yung ating mga pusa para hindi sila magkasakit. Pero hindi naman natin yun makontrol, guys, no? Yung mga sakit-sakit na yan. But we're very happy na he's back. He's alive. He's active. So, yun naman ang mas mahalaga.
Yeah, he said one more, another hours, another day, he would definitely be dead or critical.
Magiging critical. Kung hindi pa daw naagapan nun, kung hindi nagpakita, talagang ang Panginoon talaga ang nag-ano, guys, na makabalik siya dito. Kasi one more day daw or
just hours. He was already failing.
Failing.
His kidneys were shutting down.
So, yun. Napasalamat talaga ako, guys, na
how he made it out there and found you is who knows.
Who knows? It's the universe.
The angel picked him up and put him in the middle of the yard.
Kasi we didn't really know where he was.
No, I kept looking for him.
Yeah,
I looked for
si
him
John,
3 or 4
gabi-gabi.
times.
Oo. Umano si John, umikot talaga siya sa shed, dito sa around the house.
Down
Wala
the street,
talaga.
in the street.
And then the following day, basang-basa siya, soaking wet talaga siya. Diyan sa may gitna ng ano namin, ng Bermuda. Diyan sa may manggahan. Diyan siya. Parang may naglagay sa kanya dyan, guys. Parang inano siya ng anghel na makarating dito. Dahil one more day pa daw, madedo na talaga siya. Kaya ako, hindi ko na iniisip yung $1,100. Makikita lang, ang pera makikita yan, pero ang buhay ng ating mga alaga is bililhon, no? It's valuable. So, that's it for now. Thank you so much. I can't really thank you enough, guys, for all your support, not skipping the ads para makatulong sa medical bills ni Kitty Midnight. I really appreciate you. So,
nobody's gonna bother you. Keep eating.
Yes. So, ito na siya. Very alert, very active. Ayan.
Johannes, are you ready for the new back bedroom?
Wow! Ito yung bagong closet ko.
Very smooth.
At dito ko ilalagay ang mga display natin. At maglalagay ako dito, guys, ng mga ibibigay ko sa mga followers, subscribers ko.